Let's break it down again. 36 divided by 2. First step, find 10 lots of the multiple that we are dividing by. We are dividing by 2, so I need to find 10 lots of 2, which give me 20. Next, use the skeleton table, adding on 2 each time from the last multiple until we get to 36. So starting at my 10 lots of 2, which are 20, adding on 2 each time until I get to 36. 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. Stopping when I reach 36 because that is the bigger number in the calculation, and that shows me how many lots of 2 that is, and it tells me there are 18 lots of 2 that make 36. That makes 18 my answer. Let's look at dividing by 3 again. First, find 10 lots of the multiple we are dividing by. So we're dividing by 3 this time, so we need to find 10 lots of 3, which give me 30. Next, put that into a skeleton table, adding on 3 each time from the last multiple until you get to 42. So starting at my 10 lots of 3, which are 30, adding on 3 each time until we get to 42. 30, 33, 36, 39, 42. Stopping when we reach 42 because that is the bigger number in the calculation, and that will show you how many lots of 3 there are. And in the table, it shows me there are 14 lots of 3 that make 42. That would make my answer 14. Quickly looking at dividing by 4. Find 10 lots of the multiple that we are dividing by. So I would need to find 10 lots of 4, which give me 40. Then use the skeleton table, adding on 4 each time from the last multiple until we get to 60. So I'm going to start at my 40 because that is my 10 lots of 4, add on 4 each time until I get to 60. 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60. Stopping when I reach 60 because that is the bigger number in my calculation, and that will show me how many lots of 4 that is. And it shows me there are 15 lots of 4 that equal 60, making my answer 15. Let's look at dividing by 5. Find 10 lots of the multiple that we are dividing by. So we're dividing by 5, so I need to find 10 lots of 5, which give me 50. Next, I'm going to put that into a skeleton table and add on 5 each time from the last multiple until I get to 90. So starting at my 10 lots of 5, which equal 50, I'm going to add on 5 each time until I get to 90. So 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. I'm stopping at 90 because that is the bigger number in my calculation, and that will show me how many lots of 5 there are. So in the skeleton table, it shows me there are 18 lots of 5 that equal 90. That would then make my answer 18. So when you come to do these questions, remember these steps to help you. First, find 10 lots of the multiple you're dividing by, whether that be 2, 3, 4, or 5. And then put that into a skeleton table and add on that amount to the last number until you get to the number that you need. And then stop when you reach the bigger number in the calculation, and that will give you your answer. So think, when you divide by 3, think of 30. When you divide by 4, think of 40. When you divide by 2, think of 20. And when you divide by 5, think of 50.